Hello and welcome. Here's a step-by-step guide how to create a startup. Define your idea. Clearly define the problem that your startup is trying to solve. Identify the unique value proposition that you can offer to your customers. Conduct market research. Conduct thorough research on your target market, competitors, and industry trends. Gather information about your potential customers' needs and preferences. Develop a business plan. Create a detailed business plan that outlines your company's goals, strategies, and financial projections. This plan will serve as a roadmap for your startup's growth and development. Secure funding. Determine the funding required for your startup and secure funding from investors, loans, or crowdfunding platforms. Ensure that you have a clear understanding of the terms and conditions of any funding you receive. Build your team. Hire individuals who share your vision and can contribute to your startup's growth. Ensure that you have clear roles and responsibilities for each team member. Launch your startup, test your product or service, ensure that your website and marketing materials are ready, and prepare for any potential challenges. Launch your startup with a strong marketing strategy and customer acquisition plan. Monitor progress. Monitor your startup's progress regularly and make adjustments as needed. Analyze your metrics, gather feedback from customers, and stay up to date with industry trends. Scale your business. Once your startup is established, scale your business by expanding into new markets, launching new products or services, or diversifying your revenue streams. Remember to adapt these steps based on your specific startup requirements and consult relevant experts or resources if needed. Starting a business can be challenging, but with careful planning and execution, it can also be incredibly rewarding. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need free advice on starting your own startup, we're here to help. Check out the contact details in the video description below and reach out to us. Let's turn your idea into a successful business together. Don't forget to subscribe for more valuable content on entrepreneurship and startup success. Let's make your dreams a reality.